Hey there. In today's video, we'll build a JavaScript program that calculates the volume of a sphere based on a single input, the radius. We'll also add input validation to ensure that the value passed is not only a number, but also positive. Let's take some math and work it out with clean and modern JavaScript. So the situation. We're given the radius of a sphere and we want to find out its volume. The formula we will use is classic geometry, 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. Pretty simple, but we're also going to make sure this input is clean and properly validated before doing any math. Here's the breakdown. The volume sphere function does the math, but only after confirming the radius is a number using isNumber. We'll also check if the number is positive and finite. If not, we throw an appropriate error message. Once the input passes, we calculate the volume using mathpy and JavaScript's exponential operator. Now let's see the flow. The radius goes into the function. The isNumber function checks it. If it is not a valid number or it's a negative, we throw an error right away. If everything actually checks out, the formula runs and returns the volume. This step-by-step structure keeps the code safe and easy to debug. Let's walk through some tests. A proper number like 4.0 works fine and returns to a 26808. If the radius is passed in as a string like 4.0, it throws in a type error. And if it is a negative, we throw a custom error telling the user that the radius must be positive. This is real-world safety in action. You might not realize how often spheres show up in real-world problems. In physics engines, games, or even printing parts with curves, calculating spherical volume is super helpful. This kind of function is especially valuable when you pair it with other geometry or use it for simulations. And that's a wrap. We've built a flexible and safe function to calculate the volume of a sphere. Along the way, we reinforced good coding habits like input validation and using built-in tools like mathpy. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep coding smarter, not harder. Catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.